Oh, hello. Sorry, you caught me counting my worldly wealth there. Actually, money's a funny old thing, isn't it? Symbolic tokens that somehow carry value. A value which we can get so attached to that it sometimes seems to be the most important thing there is. If you've ever been involved in a charity of any form, you'll know the constant anxiety of trying to keep the finances in order. And we can lose sight of the fact that it's what we deliver that really matters, not what the end of year accounts show. Jesus had a great deal to say about money, of course, and for that reason we thought we'd look at this theme for our 2026 Faith and Thought lectures. Now, you might wonder if this is straying a bit far from our historical remit of science and faith, but some have argued that economics is a science after all, the Nobel Committee, for instance. And perhaps this very issue itself is worth debating. There was a Guardian article in 2015 that said that the Nobel Award glorifies economists as tellers of timeless truths, fostering hubris and leading to disaster. What do you think? We have 3 evenings planned to discuss how people of faith might regard the role of money in the world that we live in. The first 2 evenings will be online. On the 12th of March at 7 o'clock, David Instone Brewer will speak on Money in the Time of Jesus, a New Technology, followed by Victoria Turner, who'll speak on money and Christian activism. Then on the 19th of March, Paul Morrison will speak on beliefs embedded in economic theory, and Andrew Grinnell will encourage us to consider how we might include the poor in discussions about poverty. Then on the 26th of March, we're going to have a hybrid meeting which you can join online or in person at Gateway St Mark's Church in Leeds for a panel discussion involving all of our speakers and entitled Money, Is This the Problem or the Solution? You don't have to have attended the earlier lectures to join this open evening, which we hope will engender some lively and thoughtful debate. Registration for all the events is free via our website. I hope to see you in March. Now, where was I?